This is almost 5 pounds of chicken, and I'm just gonna cook it all up. I also have some pizza doughs rising. There's 2 full-size pizza doughs. I split one pizza dough in half, and I split one pizza dough into quarters. So on the menu for tonight, I will be cooking up these chicken breasts and serving them with some stuffing. Tomorrow I will be making enchiladas with the leftover chicken breasts. On Wednesday, I will be making chicken alfredo with the leftover chicken breasts. On Thursday, I will be making some frozen pork dumplings. On Friday, I will be making barbecue chicken pizza with leftover chicken breasts. On Saturday, we are going to have plans and be out all day, so I'm going to make some easy hot dogs and some tater tots. And on Sunday, I am going to be making some chorizo and potato tacos. I'm just gonna brown these chicken breasts on both sides and then finish them off in the oven. So tonight I'm making chicken and stuffing with some frozen rainbow cauliflower. I'm just going to quickly make this box of stuffing. I'm gonna slice up some of this chicken to serve with the stuffing and the rainbow cauliflower, which I roasted in the air fryer. Now I'm going to finish cooking these pizza doughs that have risen. I'm going to stretch them out and I'm going to par bake them for about 6 minutes, and then I'm going to let them cool. For the full-size pizza crust that I'm making, I will usually do a whole pizza for me and my fiance. For the half pizza crusts that I make, I usually make those for the kids' dinners. And for the pizza doughs that I've quartered, I will use the smaller ones for school lunches. After your pizza crusts are cooled, you can either wrap them in plastic wrap, wrap them in foil, and then freeze them, or you can cover them with your sauce and your cheese and your toppings, and then cover them in plastic wrap, and then in foil, and then freeze them. And this is how you would make a homemade frozen pizza. For Tuesday, I'm using the leftover chicken, and I made chicken enchiladas. I've made chicken enchiladas before. If you'd like to see how I do this, go ahead and click the card above, or there's a link in the description box below. I show you how to make vegetarian enchiladas. These are basically the same thing, except I'm using chicken and a red sauce. After dinner, I'll usually put leftovers in these containers and use them for lunches the next day, or pop them in the freezer for freezer meals. Now for Wednesday, I'm going to be using the leftover chicken breasts to make a chicken alfredo. I'm just going to use my rice cooker here to boil my pasta in. Then I'm just going to heat the sauce up in the microwave and heat the leftover chicken breast up in the microwave. Then I'm just gonna slice up the chicken, mix it with a little bit of the sauce, and throw everything together. Then cover that with some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. One bowl, 2 forks, add a little garlic bread, and this is one of our favorite date nights because you can just sit down, share a bowl of pasta, and watch a movie. So for Thursday night, I'm making some pork dumplings with some chow mein and some rice. First, I'm just gonna quickly make some of this boxed fried rice. If you're somebody who likes egg in your fried rice, you can go ahead and whisk up a raw egg and add that to the last 5 minutes of cooking time in your rice. I'm going to steam my pot stickers in my rice cooker for about 8 minutes, and then I am going to fry the bottoms of them in some oil in a hot pan. I'm just gonna microwave some of this sauce here. This is a homemade teriyaki sauce. I and my fiance are both allergic to sesame seeds, so we feel more comfortable just making a large batch of homemade teriyaki sauce and freezing it for when we need it. I'm just gonna finish off this meal with a little bit of pan-fried frozen chow mein. For Friday, we usually have pizzas, and I'm going to be using the leftover chicken breast to make a barbecue chicken pizza. This is more a demonstration on how to cook the frozen pizzas that I made. I already have a video where I show you how I usually make pizza. I'm going to go ahead and put that on a card above, and I will be sure to link the video below if you are interested in seeing how I make pizza. This is basically how it's done. I just take one of the frozen pizza crusts and put some pizza sauce on it, cover it with your cheese and your toppings, and bake it in a 425-degree oven for about 10 minutes or so. You mainly just want your crust to be a little toasty and your cheese to be melted. Or if you're not using cheese, like I don't use cheese on my daughter's pizzas, she just likes sauce and pepperoni. I just kind of cook it until the sauce dries up a little bit and the pepperoni gets crispy. And as you can see here, I use the foil that I originally wrapped the pizza in to bake it on. You should keep in mind as a general rule that the more toppings you have on your pizza, the longer it is going to take for your pizza to cook all the way through, especially when you're putting things like raw onions or uncooked vegetables on your pizza. We were out and about most of the day today on Saturday, so this dinner is basically just a quick and easy tater tot in the air fryer and frying hot dogs on the stovetop. And when the hot dogs are done, you just throw them into a bun and add your toppings, and this is a quick and easy dinner that you just throw together last minute. Sunday we're gonna have an early dinner. I'm gonna cook up the chorizo that I picked up and steam some potatoes and have some chorizo and potato tacos. You just remove the chorizo from its casing and fry it up in a pan, and then I'm going to steam the potatoes in my rice cooker for about 15 minutes, and that's about it. I bought my rice cooker at Costco. It cost me $30 to $35, I believe, and it is probably one of the most used kitchen appliances that I own. So I put some chorizo, some potatoes, some onion, some angel hair cabbage, some cheese and some sour cream, and this is Sunday's dinner. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up so I know that you guys want me to make more videos like this one, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.